Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the rollback now, so act in order. First, check your installed build and the install date. There is typically a 10-day rollback window, and that matters. Make a fast backup of key files to OneDrive or an external drive. Don't skip it. Then open Settings, go to Update and Security, and enter Windows Insider Program. Once there, choose the basic unenroll option to stop receiving preview builds. This kicks off the initial stage of returning to stable releases. Now continue the process by choosing how to unenroll. You can stop getting preview builds immediately or set a delay for the next major release. Pick what fits your risk tolerance. If you are within 10 days of installation, go to Settings, right arrow Recovery, right arrow Go Back. This reverts system files to the prior stable build. If you've passed that 10-day window, make a recovery USB or download the media creation tool, because a clean install is the reliable way to get fully off. Complete the return by verifying your build in Settings and confirming Windows is activated. Then run Windows Update to pick up any stable patches. Remove leftover insider settings and temp files, and run disk cleanup followed by sfc/scano to repair system files. This prevents residual issues. If the rollback or recovery fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to use the media creation tool for a fresh install. Make sure you export drivers and backups first, because that method reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.